SIH, this is the 5th edition of Smart India Hackathon, which is an initiative of the Government of India. And these students have now qualified to be in the SIH, and they will be competing from teams worldwide. And they are working on actual problem statements which have been given by the department and by the ministry, by the Government of India. As you all know that winners of existing editions, their ideas are being actually implemented real time in the government and different departments. So that in itself is a matter of great pride and privilege, and that is the kind of opportunity available for all of you.
It was priceless for me, and I cannot explain my happiness. I've never thought of receiving such a big amount in front of my parents, my mentors, Arpit sir. I really want to thank every one of you. Thank you for giving me this platform where I can make myself more, where I can grow myself, I can touch different heights of success. I'm really thankful to everyone.
जैसे कि मैं और अंजलि बिहार से, तो हम लोग की सारी फार्मिंग से हम रिलेट कर पाते हैं। जैसे हमारी बैकग्राउंड, हमारी फैमिली, पेरेंट्स वगैरह वो फार्मिंग से रिलेटेड है, तो हम लोग उस चीज़ को देखते आ रहे हैं और उस चीज़ के लिए हम कोई सॉल्यूशन ढूंढना चाह रहे थे। क्योंकि पापा लोग को देखते हैं कि वो बाहर जाते हैं, खेतों में पानी नहीं हो पाती है, बहुत मेहनत करनी होती है, तो उस चीज़ के लिए हम कैसे उनके लिए ईजी बता सके, बना सके, बस इसके लिए हमारी है। और थैंक यू सो मच सर कि आपने हमें सपोर्ट किया।
Chance to thank Tarun sir. Sir, your energy always inspires us to stay motivated.
We had a project of JCRC attendance system, which was funded by Arpit sir, which is there on Play Store. That was the point when I actually realized that okay, we can actually do something. So thank you so much Arpit sir for giving us this opportunity to think out of the college, to think something which we never thought of, like we could start off a startup or we can bring some kind of idea. And I would also thank Dikshit sir, who has always stood us as a back. He is also the TP of our college. Along with this, he always keep motivating us and telling us do this, talk in this sense, do this, and he just completely is one man who always there behind each and every student. Thank you so much sir for supporting us. I would also like to thank Manju ma'am and various of other staff of JCRC who has always supported us. JCRC is one of the colleges, I must tell you, that not only teaches the students but also gives a backbone to stand so strong and talk and present your ideas, which hardly any college does, to be honest.
I want to thank you all for believing in me and my idea and for supporting me here. And especially कोमल मैम जो मुझे साइकोलॉजिकली मेंटर करते हैं, मुझे बिजनेस स्ट्रेटेजी में मेंटर करते हैं, तरुण सर जो ऑफ द रूट हेल्प आउट करते हैं, थैंक यू सो मच सर। अर्पित सर फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट के लिए थैंक यू सो मच।
Komal ma'am and Tarun sir saw the potential in the idea and they introduced us and the idea to Arpit sir, and thank you so much Arpit sir for believing in our idea and then providing us the grant that we have received right now.
Government of India this time in 2020 they made it mandatory that all colleges has to go through this internal hackathon, and we have started in 2017 just because of a vision of Arpit sir. So he already thought that, so we conducted in 2017 JCRC hackathon. In 18 we did JU HackQuest. So we have already started. Compulsion बाद में हुआ है and we were doing it. And even we have technical events of coding जो हम शायद 10 साल से करते आ रहे हैं, because we have Renaissance Rhythm technical events departments are conducting. So in JCRC we have this ecosystem. In our ecosystem that we have coding culture, and up till now we have done 37 hackathons including Votathon, HackQuest and many more.
This seed money can be utilized for your research, prototype, pilot testing, hiring resource or interns, technology, buying material or whatever need to be, as long as you are steadily running towards your goal and you know what your goal is. What is your goal, guys? To win SIH in the finale. Lovely.
So there's a whole some ecosystem which is on the campus for the startups, for entrepreneurship, for training and placement, for anything what we are doing. And I attribute all the success of what we are talking today, in last 90 minutes, all these bright kids. अगर आप लोग इतने ब्राइट नहीं होते, स्किल नहीं होते, तो JCRC या JCRC नहीं बन पाता। इस बात में कोई कुछ भी कह दे, मेरे को फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता। I'm totally convinced with this. It is all because of your skills और आपने जो मेहनत की है, जो एस्पिरेशन आपने करके दिखा दी है, जितनी काबिलियत आपने हो गई है, उसकी वजह से हम आगे जाके बात कर पाते हैं।
उसकी वजह से हम गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया से बात कर पाते हैं, भारत सरकार के स्टार्टअप से बात करते हैं, नीति आयोग से बात कर लेते हैं और हम कहते हैं कि राजस्थान में एक इकोसिस्टम बहुत कमाल का बन रहा है और इस बात को वो एग्री करते हैं. सो ऑल दिस सक्सेस इज एट्रीब्यूटेड टू ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स, टीचर्स, ऑफ कोर्स यू गाइज आर वर्किंग वेरी वेरी हार्ड. पेरेंट्स, आई एम श्योर आपके तो आशीर्वाद और शुभकामनाओं के बिना कोई काम हो ही नहीं सकता है.
We have been talking about to cultivate the innovation culture at JCRC University. By announcing this 4 lakh rupees grant, we have clearly given a message that now we have cultivated the innovative culture at campus. Now we will focus on scalability and the sustainability of your products.